Good morning. I have a quick story to share with you guys. So last week I had a discussion with the director of construction for a major retailer. So say one of the top 10, 15 largest retailers in the world. And our discussion revolved around maintenance. So the interesting or funny part about our discussion was we did a 12 store site visit. And on the 12 stores, we got 12 different cleaners, 12 different processes. Every store was doing their own thing. The director of construction sent off an email to their janitorial prime contractor, said, hey, what are we doing to maintain our floors? This is after we did our 12 store review. The prime contractor sent back that they were using a specific type of cleaner and specific type of pads. And this was supposed to be the same at every store. The cleaner that they sent and the pads they sent, we didn't find at a single store. So what I was explaining he says, I don't understand. If they're our contractor, how do they not know what's going on? So I gave him a short explanation about how janitorial contractors work. So the retailer has a contract with a prime contractor. That prime contractor has a contract with a local or regional contractor. That contractor has another contract with an individual contractor that may handle 1 or 2 or 3 stores. The individual contractor is the one who's supposed to be getting the cleaner, and as a result, cleaner and pads, and as a result, they're getting whatever the cheapest thing is they can find, regardless of what the prime contract says they're supposed to be using. And the prime contractor has no way of holding that subcontractor of a subcontractor accountable. So that's why we have 12 different types of product on 12 different stores. So the answer for the retailer is centralized purchasing, where I help the retailer find one supplier. We put out to bid. We'll find one supplier for cleaner, one supplier for pads, and we'll drop ship those to the store and take the cleaning supply responsibility out of the prime contract. But I wanted to tell you one funny part. So one of the stores, I go into the store. I was going in late at night because that's when the janitorial contractors are working. So I went into the store. It was about 12:30, 1 a.m. Met a guy, not from the U.S., who is the lowest tier local contractor. And he comes walking in the door, and he's got an old Coke bottle, like a 2-liter Coke bottle with no label on it. And it's full up about 80% with this white liquid. And I said, hey man, what's that? And he said, oh, that's my soap. And I said, well, I don't understand. You have all this soap that's in the back of the house. And he says, oh, I know, but that soap doesn't work very good, so I make my own at home. We have no idea what's in the soap. We have no idea what it's made of. It took it all of about 4 weeks to strip the polish off the floor and take it down to almost looks like an industrial facility in a high-end store. And so, yeah, stuff like that happens, really actually happens. Good luck. Hope this helps you. Have a great day.